A new decision has been made to piss off Russian leader Putin from 20 countries as the Russian-Ukrainian war continues. The second meeting of the Ukrainian Defense Contact Group was held online. Following the meeting, U.S. Defense Minister Lloyd Austin and U.S. Chief of Staff General Mark Milley held a joint press conference. Austin said in his statement that Denmark has agreed to provide Harpoon missiles to help defend the coast of Ukraine, and that Czechia has agreed to send important support to Ukraine, including the recent donation of attack helicopters, tanks, and rocket systems. Explaining that 20 countries will provide new weapons to Ukraine, Austin said that the security aid packages include artillery ammunition, shore defense systems, tanks, and other armored vehicles. Austin said other countries have come forward with new commitments to train Ukrainian forces and maintain military systems.